10 foods to help boost your blood flow. Blood flow is crucial for maintaining a healthy body. It carries oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in your body, helping them to function properly. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that can help boost your blood flow and improve your overall health. First on the list is leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in nitrates, which can help widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow. They also contain vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting. Next, we have beets. Beets are high in nitrates and can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect your blood vessels. Third, we have berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are high in antioxidants and can help improve blood flow and protect your blood vessels. Fourth, we have fatty fish. Fatty fish such as mackerel, salmon, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Fifth, we have nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in magnesium, which can help relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow. Sixth, we have garlic. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin and sulfides that can help reduce blood pressure and improve blood flow. Seventh, we have ginger. Ginger contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Eighth, we have dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids which are antioxidants that can help improve blood flow and protect your blood vessels. Ninth, we have watermelon. Watermelon is high in an amino acid called citrulline, which can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Lastly, we have citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and limes are high in vitamin C, which can help improve blood flow by strengthening your blood vessels. In conclusion, incorporating these foods into your diet can help boost your blood flow and improve your overall health. Along with a healthy diet, regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can also help to improve your blood flow. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your blood flow.